You know that car that seems like your faithful partner for years, but is actually a real wallet sucker in disguise? That's it. For decades, millions of drivers have been conditioned to accept a reality that few stop to question. That owning a car is synonymous with living with a series of constant expenses. Oil to change, brake pads that are worn out, a clogged filter, a dry belt, and all this even before any real defect appears. The traditional industry built an empire on these maintenance needs, turning maintenance into a guaranteed, predictable business. For them, not for you. And the most curious thing? Even the most reliable models, those that gained fame for lasting for years without problems, eventually become true financial nightmares. It's not because the driver neglected them, quite the opposite. It's because these cars were designed that way, so that small faults appear at spaced intervals, giving the false impression of natural aging. But in reality, they are programmed errors that keep you returning to the workshop at increasingly shorter intervals. A brake pad today, a shock absorber tomorrow, then the cooling system. And so, silently, your car drains your money for decades. This isn't a conspiracy theory, just look at the numbers. The average annual maintenance cost for a combustion engine car, especially after the first 5 years, can easily exceed $1,000 a year. That's without counting fuel, insurance, taxes, and of course, that constant feeling that something is about to go wrong. It's like living in a marriage where you never know when the next fight will be, but you know it's coming. Unpredictability becomes part of the package, and many people simply accept it as part of life. And that's where the big trap lies. The idea that changing cars will solve the problem. The owner of a tired 2010 model decides to buy a financed 2020 model, believing that this will bring peace of mind. But the cycle only restarts, with monthly installments now replacing maintenance costs until they reappear again a few years later. It's a perfectly designed cycle. You never zero out the account. You only change the type of payment. And the industry benefits. Repair shops, dealerships, and insurance companies thrive on this. They don't want you to have a durable car. They want you to have predictable and profitable problems. Those who pay close attention have noticed this game a long time ago. Especially older drivers who buy their cars outright, take care of them like they're their children, and yet still find themselves held hostage by this perverse logic. Precisely because they don't change cars frequently, they become perfect targets for this system. They pay for everything over the years: oil, timing belt, air filter, exhaust system, catalytic converter. The list never ends. And the question that always arises is the same. How long will this continue to be normal? Perhaps the answer is coming in 2026, with a model that promises to break this pattern. It's no longer an empty promise of low cost on paper. It's a proposal to break with the logic of scheduled maintenance designed to fail. And that changes everything. Not only the consumer's wallet, but the very business model of the automotive industry. Because if it works, other manufacturers will be forced to follow the same path. The game has changed. If the problem has always been the invisible cost over the years, the proposed solution for 2026 starts by tackling that very point, without beating around the bush. The Tesla Model 2 isn't born from an obsession with absurd speed or exaggerated luxury, but with a much more practical idea: durability. The conversation here changes tone. Instead of talking about power and status, the focus shifts to time. How long can a car run without becoming a problem? And that's where this project starts to attract the attention of those who are tired of opening the hood and seeing money slipping away. The heart of this change lies in the electric motor. While a combustion engine car has over 2,000 moving parts working together, the Model 2 works with something around 17. This is not an irrelevant technical detail. It's a game changer. Fewer parts mean less friction, less wear, fewer points of failure. It's almost like comparing a mechanical watch full of gears with a simple and straightforward digital one. One requires constant maintenance. The other simply works. And when you look at it through the lens of the long term, everything starts to make sense. A car designed for 2026 cannot repeat the mistakes of the past. Tesla seems to have understood that it's no use selling cheaply at the entry level and expensively in terms of maintenance. The Model 2 emerges as a vehicle that may not be the cheapest at the time of purchase, but promises to be the cheapest over 15 or 20 years. This reversal of logic is silent, but extremely powerful. The most interesting thing is that this proposal speaks directly to an audience that has always been ignored. People who don't change cars every 3 years, who drive calmly, have their cars serviced regularly, and want predictability. For this profile, the Model 2 is not just a new car, it's a possible liberation. Liberation from the garage, from the trusted mechanic who is always busy, from the feeling that any strange noise already means an unexpected bill at the end of the month. And it's not just about financial savings. There's a mental strain in living with a problematic car, that constant doubt when turning the key, the fear of a warning light coming on, the anxiety before a longer trip. A project designed to drastically reduce mechanical failures directly affects this emotional side. At times, it even seems that the Model 2 was designed more to bring peace of mind than to impress with impressive spec sheets. Some might say this sounds overly optimistic, almost utopian. But when you look at the philosophy behind the project, the logic becomes clear. The best part is the one that doesn't exist. This phrase gains weight when applied radically. If there's no belt, there's no replacement. If there's no oil, there's no leak. If there's no exhaust, there's no rust. Each absence eliminates a future problem. It's simple to understand, even for those who have never been interested in engineering. Obsession with quality control has always been rare in the automotive industry. In practice, most cars are assembled by humans operating within acceptable margins of error, meaning that small slips are actually expected. An over-tightened screw, a loose one, a weld out of alignment, and all of this adds up over years to noises, doors that don't close properly, water leaking into the trunk, and so on. Ultimately, these small, silent deviations are the real culprits behind turning cars that left the factory perfect into constant headaches after a decade. What changes with the Tesla Model 2 is the almost robotic obsession with avoiding any deviation from the very first second of assembly. Tesla's new production line for 2026 is equipped with approximately 100 intelligent sensors that monitor in real time the torque of each screw, the temperature of the equipment, and the alignment of each part. And most impressively, if any value falls outside the ideal range, the line simply stops. It's not the car that stops after it's finished, nor when the customer returns to complain. It's the entire line that stops right there, before the error becomes part of the vehicle. This system is based on what engineers call SPC 2.0, Next Generation Statistical Process Control. It sounds too technical, but in simpler terms, it's a system that anticipates errors before they happen, based on data behavior. If a machine starts to gradually deviate from its usual precision, engineers are alerted before any physical failure manifests. This not only prevents assembly errors, but also reduces post-delivery defects by up to 70%, according to internal analyses. And let's face it, who hasn't had to return to the dealership because of a strange creaking noise? Another highlight is the body panels. Most automakers accept gaps of up to 2.5 millimeters between parts, enough for dust, water, or noise to gradually enter and, over time, cause rust or structural misalignments. The Model 2, with the help of computer vision and artificial intelligence, keeps these gaps between 0.4 and 0.6 millimeters, which is almost artisanal in its precision. It seems like a small detail, but this care has a huge impact on the car's longevity, especially in regions with high humidity or temperature variations. It's no exaggeration to say that this almost surgical attention to assembly places the Model 2 in a completely different category of durability. While traditional cars accumulate invisible micro-defects with every kilometer, this new Tesla promises to age slowly, silently, and in a controlled manner. Like a well-made piece of furniture that remains sturdy even after decades, without creaks or chips. It's the difference between something that was merely assembled and something that was truly manufactured with millimeter precision. And do you know what this means in practice for the car owner? Fewer visits to the mechanic for silly problems. No more vibrating rear-view mirrors on the road, doors that don't close properly, or mysterious noises coming from the dashboard. The car remains solid, aligned, and quiet. This not only avoids expenses with minor repairs, but also preserves comfort and a sense of security over the years. Something that, honestly, few people appreciate until they realize how much they miss it. If there's one thing that still scares many people when talking about electric cars, it's the battery. And it's no coincidence. Anyone who has ever owned a cell phone knows exactly what it's like. After 2 or 3 years, the battery starts to show signs of wear, loses charge quickly, and replacing it can be more expensive than you might imagine. Now, imagine that in a car? The idea of a component that costs thousands of dollars and could die in a few years is, at the very least, distressing. And Tesla knows this. That's why, in 2026, the Model 2 arrives with an aggressive proposition: to transform the battery into the most reliable part of the car. Behind the scenes in engineering, there's talk that Tesla is testing aluminum-ion batteries, a technology that may seem like something out of a futuristic lab, but which has proven too promising to ignore. For those unfamiliar, these batteries promise to withstand between 8,000 and 10,000 charge cycles, compared to the modest 1,000 to 2,000 of traditional lithium batteries. In practice, this means a battery capable of lasting not just years, but entire decades, even with daily use. But it's not just longevity that impresses. One of the biggest challenges with current batteries is the impact of fast charging. The more intense the charge, the greater the stress on the internal materials. Over time, this generates microcracks, degradation, and loss of capacity. The cells that Tesla plans to use in the Model 2 are being designed with a structure that distributes stress evenly, preventing heat buildup and internal deformation. In other words, you can charge quickly without worrying about shortening the battery's lifespan with each recharge. Another frequent problem with electric vehicle batteries is their behavior in extreme temperatures. Anyone who lives in regions with harsh winters or scorching summers knows what this is about. Battery performance plummets, range disappears, and in some cases, the system goes into protection mode. Tesla, aware of this, is developing batteries that operate stably from 30 degrees to over 50 degrees, which is practically a dream for those living in Canada or Texas, for example. And we can't forget to mention the issue of safety. Everyone has seen videos of cars catching fire after collisions or internal failures. With the new compounds that Tesla is testing, the risk of spontaneous combustion is drastically reduced. This is because these new chemicals operate at lower internal pressures and with materials less prone to what is called spontaneous combustion. Thermal runaway, that chain reaction that can cause fires. Lower risk, lower insurance costs, and ultimately, more peace of mind for the driver. Speaking of peace of mind, a battery that doesn't need replacing for 20 or 30 years completely changes the car's cost equation. Instead of worrying about a $5,000 or more replacement, the Model 2 owner can simply forget the battery exists. This places the car in a long-term investment category, where the value lies not only in what it offers today, but in what it saves you tomorrow. The foundation of all this is literally the car's skeleton. And when it comes to skeletons, Tesla decided to tear up the manual and make the Model 2 a unique case in automotive engineering. Instead of hundreds of metal parts joined by screws, welds, and stress points, what you have now is an almost entire structure molded all at once. Yes, a single piece, cast by a 50,000-ton press known as the Giga Press. This is not a technical exaggeration. It's like 3D printing the car's chassis, only in real size, with cast aluminum, in seconds. This choice changes everything. First, the structural rigidity. A traditional car gradually deforms over the years. A small impact here, a pothole there, and soon creaks begin, doors become misaligned, and internal parts wear out prematurely. In the case of the Model 2, the cast structure guarantees torsional rigidity of up to 70,000 nm, a very high number that practically eliminates this type of deformation over time. The result is a car that remains whole, firm, and aligned, even after decades of driving on poorly maintained roads. But of course, this raises a legitimate question. What if you crash? Nobody wants to lose their entire car because of a dented bumper. Tesla thought of that. Despite being a giant cast piece, the Model 2 has strategically designed crumple zones that absorb the impact of light and moderate crashes without compromising the main structure. And in more serious cases, the company is developing modular repair processes, where specific parts can be replaced or reinforced without replacing the entire assembly. In other words, even in the event of a crash, the car was designed to save you money. Furthermore, this new chassis comes with an advanced anti-corrosion coating called Giga Ultra. The name may sound like something out of a superhero movie, but the effect is real. A layer that resists water, salt, mud, and weather for up to 30 years. In American states like Michigan or Minnesota, where snow and salt corrode cars in just a few winters, this protection can make all the difference between a car that slowly rots away and one that remains as good as new. Another important detail is that this casting process eliminates a chronic problem in the industry: heat-affected zones from welds. At each weld point, the metal heats up and cools unevenly, creating fragile areas prone to cracking and fatigue over time. By eliminating hundreds of these welds and creating a structure with uniform cooling, the Model 2 gains a homogeneity that simply doesn't exist in conventional vehicles. The structure is not only stronger, it ages better. And it's not just a matter of durability. This more rigid structure better protects what's inside: the doors, the windows, the dashboard. Less flex means less play, less leaks, fewer adjustments lost over time. The windows continue to fit well. The seats don't creak. The dashboard doesn't vibrate. It's the kind of detail that many people only notice after years of use, when the traditional car has already become a box of crickets, and the Tesla maintains that solid silence that seemed to exist only on the first day. Safety is one of those topics that most people only remember when something goes wrong. But the truth is, for those who have been driving for decades,